Okay, it's recording.
All right, it's recording. So we're going to go ahead and start. So today we are doing a review geometry lesson talking about polygons and our geometric solids. So who remembers what is a polygon? What does the word polygon mean? Any ideas? CJ?
It's something with it's something with
So in the word polygon, we have the prefix,
5 sides.
kind of, we have the prefix poly, which means many, and we have the suffix gon, which means sides.
Many sides. Like a triangle.
So the word polygon literally means a shape with many sides. And so we start off polygons with a shape that has 3 sides. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Then we move to our shape that has 4 equal sides, which is called a
Square.
square. Then we go to our polygon that has 5 equal sides. What is this called?
Hexagon.
Not a hexagon. A
Polygon. Hexagon.
pentagon. So a pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, our pentagon. Then we have our polygon that has 6 equal sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
A hexagon.
That's our hexagon. Yep. Then we have our polygon, 1, 2, 3, that has 7 equal sides. What's our 7-sided polygon?
Octagon.
Not octagon. Heptagon. So it's H-E-P-T. Heptagon. Has 7. Then we have our 8-sided figure, which is called a octagon. A good way to remember octagon is octopus. So an octopus has 8 tentacles. An octagon has 8 equal sides. Then we have our 9-sided figure. It has 9 equal sides. This is called a nonagon. Nonagon.
I made books about these, but that was
And then we have our 10-sided figure. So this polygon has 10 equal sides. This is called a decagon. Decagon. So we have so let's review this again. So we have our triangle, square, pentagon. Then we have our hexagon. Then we have our heptagon for 7 sides. For 8 sides, we have our octagon. Then we have our 9-sided polygon, nonagon. And then we have our 10-sided polygon, which is our decagon. Nice memory. And what does the word polygon mean again?
It means many sides.
It means many sides. So the word polygon is a shape that means many sides. So part of your follow-up work is you are going to, friends at school, you are going to trace all of the shapes from our polygons and label them. Grace, you will use a ruler at your house, and you're going to draw a triangle all the way through a decagon.
I actually have two of them, two rulers. One's pink and the other one's pink.
Fantastic.
Can we use like cards?
Yep, we have these cards for school, and then we also have this to help us with the spelling and remembering how many shapes there are, how many sides there are in each shape. And Grace and Alex, this will be on Google Classroom for you to use as well.
Yay!
That is our review of polygons. Are there any questions about our polygons? Okay. Miss Catherine actually needs these now. Olivia, could you take this to Miss Catherine and then come back and we'll review our geometric solids.
Wait, where's Alex?
He is not here right now.
He's not here today.
Okay. Oh,
If you can take that to Miss Catherine.
But we're getting recorded so Alex can watch
Grace.
the video.
Good hat.
It is a good hat she has on, isn't it? All right.
What this is?
Pencil.
All right, CJ, can you move back to your spot, love?
Let it.
Christopher, you can take your mask off since we're outside.
Yeah, because I don't like wearing masks so long.
Yeah.
Makes my mouth sweat so much.
So now, friends, we are going to review our geometric solids. Some of our shapes in our world are what are called two-dimensional or 2D. CJ, let's put our pencil down. Put everything behind us. Don't touch it. Thank you. So here, what shape do we have?
A circle.
A circle. This circle is two-dimensional. It is
like our eyes are a circle.
Yeah.
In our head.
Well, our heads are actually three-dimensional because we could touch all parts of our face and head. So this circle is just two-dimensional. But we have a geometric solid that looks like this. And I can rule it. I could touch all sides of it. What shape is this?
Sphere.
A sphere.
A ball. Sphere. Sphere.
This is our sphere. Here we have a two-dimensional shape of what?
Square.
A square.
A square.
Our three-dimensional geometric solid looks like this.
Cube.
It is a cube. A cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares.
I think it's gonna stop.
This is our cube. What two-dimensional shape is this?
A rectangle.
A rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Our geometric solid, our three-dimensional shape figure of that looks like this. This is called a rectangular prism. So our rectangular prism has 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles.
I just watched a video of this on abcmouse.com.
Whoa. And then the sides are a square. So this is our rectangular prism. Then this shape here has a circle on the bottom and on the top. And it is round and smooth on the sides.
I forgot what this one was.
It looks kind of like a soda can or a sparkling water can.
Oh, yeah. That we drink out of.
That we drink out of, yeah. This is called a cylinder.
Or like a small glass.
Or like a small glass. So that is our cylinder.
Small glass. It's our small glass.
This shape here is really fun.
Cone.
It's a cone. So
yeah, like an ice cream cone. If you turn it over, it looks like an ice cream cone.
Or a party hat. Yeah. So
a party hat too. Or witch hat.
Or it's like your witch hat. So it's a circle on the bottom and it comes to a point at the top. So that is our cone. Then we have this special shape here.
A triangular prism.
Oh my gosh, yes, it's a triangular prism.
What about the pyramid
A
prism?
triangular prism
If you
has,
turn it the other way, it kind of looks like a pyramid.
yeah. So it has 1, 2, 3 rectangles, and then the sides are triangles.
Yeah,
so
if you turn it to one of the sides, it kind of looks like a pyramid standing up.
Yeah. So this is our triangular prism. Then we have this shape. It comes to a point at the top, and there's a triangle on the bottom. So this is called our triangular base pyramid. So the pyramid, it comes to a top, and we have a triangle on the bottom. So that is our triangular base pyramid.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a party hat too.
It is kind of like a party hat too.
A square based pyramid.
Yes, CJ. So we have another pyramid. It comes to a point at the top. So this time there is a square on the bottom. So this is our square base pyramid, and the one with the triangle on the bottom is our triangular base pyramid.
Because I saw a square on the bottom. I was like, is that a square base pyramid? Yeah.
Then our last two geometric solids look like these. This one is the same.
It kind of looks like ovals.
It looks like an oval, right? It's the same width and distance on both ends. This is called an ovoid.
And it kind of looks like a weird egg.
So this one doesn't look, there's another one that looks more like an egg. So this one is the same distance all around. This is called the ovoid. Now this one here, it's fatter on one side and skinnier on the other. It looks more like an egg. So
yeah, it looks more like an egg.
Yeah,
like
so
a giant egg.
Yeah, so this is our ellipsoid. Our ellipsoid.
We call it
ellipsoid.
So let's go over these
ellipsoid.
One more time. So what shape is this?
Sphere.
Sphere.
A cube.
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 Rectangular prism.
Rectangular prism.
What shape is this?
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. What shape is this?
Cone.
Cone.
Mhm.
Ice cream cone.
What shape is this?
Triangular prism.
Triangular prism.
Triangular prism.
Triangle basement pyramid.
Triangular base pyramid.
Triangular base pyramid. Pyramid.
Our square base pyramid.
Our square base pyramid.
Ovoid.
Our ovoid.
And ellipsoid.
Our ellipsoid, yes. So these are all of our 3D geometric solids. So the other part of your follow-up work is to make a list of these objects in real life. So you are going to look around the classroom or your house or outside and think of 3 real life things that are each of these shapes. So for example, so for the sphere, I could write sphere and maybe do soccer ball, basketball, baseball. And maybe for the, CJ, sit down, please. For the cylinder, maybe I write a soda can. One of the pools in the playground, and
maybe one of the. Maybe a glass, a small little glass.
Maybe a glass, yeah.
Do we have to look for it, or can we just write it?
Yeah, so if it's something that you can't actually see with your eyes right now, but you know it's the same shape, yeah, for sure. Like for example, the triangular prism, the shape of this reminds me of a camping tent.
Oh yeah.
This looks like kind of like my tent I have that we go camping in. So,
I don't have a tent like that, but mine's different, like this pointy hat kind of.
Yeah. So your geometry work is a two-part follow work. So you have the polygon part, and then you have the geometric solid portion. Okay. Do you guys have any questions for me?
No.
No questions? Do you guys have any questions?
Yeah, I have one question.
What's your question?
Like, you know, like shapes.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I got a question.
One shape, some shapes are different than another.
Yeah.
Some look the same, but some actually really aren't the same.
Yep, that's true. All shapes are very different. Some look similar and some are different. What's your question, Grace?
Is this the last Zoom meeting for today, or we are going to have one more?
We have cultural studies at 1 o'clock today.
Okay.
Awesome. All right, Miss Grace, well, I'm going to log off. Your follow-up work will be posted on Google Classroom and very shortly. And we will see you at Cultural Studies, okay, love?
Bye. I hope Alex stays at Cultural Studies, or we're going to have to Zoom, or we're going to have to record it.
All right, bye, sweetie.
I'm going to leave too.
Okay, bye, love bug.